Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Kaz. I'm so glad you're here today. Let me ask you something. Do you ever find it hard to start a conversation in English? Maybe at work, maybe at school, or even just waiting in line. You want to talk, but you're not sure what to say. Don't worry, you're not alone. Even native English speakers sometimes find small talk difficult. But here's the good news. With a few simple strategies, you can feel more confident. So today, I'm going to share some easy tips to help you make small talk with anyone you meet. Tip 1. Share details. When someone asks, "How are you?" it's tempting to just say, "I'm fine." But if you stop there, the conversation ends. Instead, try to add a little more. For example, "I'm good. I had a really nice weekend." That small detail opens the door for more conversation. The other person might ask, "Oh, really? What did you do?" The same works when people ask about your job or your hobbies. Instead of saying, "I am a teacher," you could say, "I am a teacher and I just finished preparing my students for their English test." See the difference? By adding just one detail, you give the other person something to connect with. Tip 2. Don't only talk about yourself. Of course, small talk is not just about you, it's about both people. So remember to ask questions too. And most importantly, listen to the answers. If someone tells you they love football, you can follow up later and ask, "Did you play this weekend?" That shows you care, and it helps build a real connection. If you're not sure what to ask, here's a simple trick. Think about family, jobs, hobbies, or dreams. Those topics are safe, and they usually invite longer answers. And here's another tip. Why? Questions are your best friend. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. For example, instead of asking, "Do you like your job?" you could ask, "What do you enjoy most about your job?" It's a small change, but it makes the conversation feel deeper. Tip 3. Balance questions with statements. Now here's something important. If you only ask questions, the conversation can feel a little uncomfortable, almost like an interrogation. So try this simple rule. 2 statements, then 1 question. Here's how it works. If someone says, "I'm from Vienna," you could reply, "Oh, I've never been to Vienna, but it looks so beautiful in photos. Do you live there now? See how that feels?" You gave 2 short statements, and then you asked 1 question. That balance makes the conversation flow more naturally. Tip 4. Bring something to the conversation. Finally, it helps to know a little about what's happening in the world. You don't need to be an expert, but if you read the news or watch a short update, you'll always have something to talk about. It could be a big sports event, a new movie, or even just the weather. These topics give you a starting point, and people enjoy talking about how these things affect their lives. So remember, small talk is easier when you bring a little knowledge with you. So let's go over this one more time. First, share details. Next, don't only talk about yourself, ask questions. Then balance questions with statements. And finally, bring something to the conversation. If you practice these tips, small talk will feel more natural and a lot less stressful. Thank you so much for joining me today on Learn English with Kaz. If this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who's learning English too. And don't forget, the more you practice, the easier it gets. So go out there, start a conversation, and enjoy learning through real-life English. See you in the next episode.